back in action here with Greggy. Filling her up with the better good supplies. She's that good. You're all jealous. Gotta say anything to the fans, Dad?
Pay to have this done. Don't do it yourself. Or at least buy a funnel. And get a better helper.
Whatever. We got another fan popping up. We'll get in his cool ride. Thinks he's all cool and stuff. Nope, he's just a little loser. Can't even switch his own oil. What a disgrace.
Oh, my grass is long, isn't it?
Yeah, you should cut that. Got another fan. Trying to distract Greggy here. Gotta get our bodyguards up in here.
Or at least our merchandise, so they can buy our t-shirts and videos.
What was that?
Ooh, can you smell the day's cooking?
You stink. Got another fan up in here. Man, I'm roasting over here in the sun. Last step, clean up your mess. More fans. They're too late. We're already done with the show. Let's dump this in the ocean. Put some pasta with it if you want. Oh no. What was that? More fans. She was a little on the elder side.
Yeah.
She's probably been watching you since day one.
Huh?
So she's probably been watching you since day one.
What to do with that coin?
I didn't. It fell on the ground somewhere.
In the video.
The video guy again. He's coming around again for more. He's gonna turn left here. Oh no, he's going straight. He's coming over by Greggy. I got a video of him looking at us.
That guy said 4 quarts, right?
Yes. Now we gotta make sure nothing's dripping. Go ahead and turn it on. Pull out the clutch all the way. Looks good to me. Greggy is marvelous work back at it again. Stay tuned for next week's video called How to Get Your Son to Mow the Lawn. It's going to be a good one. Looks like our work here is done. Greggy's just cleaning it up. Looking at his masterpiece. Thinking, wow, I'm so good at this.
Alright, that's a wrap.
Say bye to all your fans.
Bye bye. Until next time.